Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young man named David. David was 25 years old, but he felt like a failure. He worked in a small shop, but his boss never valued him. He tried many things in life, but nothing seemed to work. Every day, he told himself, "I am unlucky. I will never succeed. Nothing good ever happens to me." These thoughts made him feel worse every day. One day, David heard about an old man who lived in a nearby village. People said this old man was very wise. He had helped many people change their lives. David thought, maybe he can help me too. So he decided to visit the old man. After a long walk, he reached the village. There, he found a small house covered with green plants and colorful flowers. An old man with white hair and a kind smile was sitting on the porch. David walked up to him and said, "Sir, my life is full of problems. I work hard, but nothing goes well. I feel like a failure. Can you help me?" The old man looked at David with calm eyes. He smiled and said, "Tell me, David, when you wake up in the morning, what is the first thought in your mind?" David replied, "I think, today will be another bad day. Nothing will go right." The old man nodded slowly. He said, "That is your problem. Your thoughts are creating your reality." David looked confused. "What do you mean?" he asked. The old man stood up and said, "Come, I will show you something." He took David to his garden. In the garden, there were two plants side by side. One plant was green, healthy, and full of flowers. The other plant looked weak, with dry leaves and no flowers. The old man pointed at them and asked, "Why do you think one plant is strong and the other is weak?" David thought and said, "Maybe one gets more water and sunlight?" The old man smiled. "Exactly. Both plants are in the same garden, but I give water to the healthy plant every day. I place it in the sunlight. The weak plant, I gave it very little water. I kept it in the shade, so it became weak." David listened carefully, but he still did not understand. The old man continued, "Your mind is like a garden, David. Your thoughts are like water and sunlight. If you give positive thoughts to your mind, your life will grow strong, just like the healthy plant. But if you feed your mind with negative thoughts, your life will become weak, just like the dry plant." David's eyes opened wide. He was beginning to understand. "So, you mean my thoughts control my life?" David asked. "Yes," said the old man. "Every morning you tell yourself, 'Today will be a bad day,' so your mind believes it. Then your actions follow your thoughts. You become slow, sad, and unmotivated. And because of that, nothing good happens in your day. But if you wake up and say, 'Today is a good day, I will do my best,' then your mind will help you. You will feel more energy. You will work better, and good things will start to happen." David felt hope for the first time in many years. "But sir," David said, "how can I change my thoughts? I have been thinking negatively for so long." The old man smiled kindly. "It takes practice, but it is simple. Every morning, when you wake up, say 3 positive things. Say, 'Today is a good day. I am capable. I will do my best.' Say these words out loud. Believe them. Then, during the day, whenever a negative thought comes, stop it. Replace it with a positive thought. Do this every single day. Your mind will slowly change. And when your mind changes, your life will change." David felt excited. He promised to try. The next morning, David woke up early. At first, his old thoughts came back. "Today will be hard. Nothing will work." But then he remembered the old man's words. He stopped himself and said out loud, "Today is a good day. I am capable. I will do my best." At first, it felt strange, but he continued. Days passed. Every morning, David said his positive affirmations. Slowly, something began to change inside him. He started to feel more confident. At work, he spoke with more energy. He smiled more. People started to notice the change in him. His boss even praised him one day. "David, you are working very well lately. Keep it up." Months passed. David's life changed completely. He got a promotion at work. He made new friends. He even started a small business on the side. One day, he went back to visit the old man. When the old man saw him, he smiled. "David," he said, "you look like a different person. What happened?" David smiled and said, "You were right, sir. I changed my thoughts, and my life changed." "Now I understand," David continued. "My old mindset was holding me back. I thought I was unlucky, but the truth is, I was creating my own bad luck with my negative thoughts. When I started thinking positively, everything changed." The old man nodded. "Remember, David, your mind is your most powerful tool. Use it to build your life, not to destroy it." David thanked the old man and left with a happy heart. He knew now that he was in control of his life, and he would never go back to his old negative thinking. If you liked this story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. Change your mindset, and you will change your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Thank you for staying with us. See you in the next story. Until then, stay positive and stay blessed.